Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Idaho Falls. Local and long distance movers near me. Your belongings can be relocated locally, across the state, or state lines by us. We have an excellent working connection with the agencies in charge of the relocation process, both municipal and federal. To protect our clients' interests, we have insurance coverage in place before, during, and after your belongings are transported. The plans cover liabilities and hazards. Our crew consists of dependable and competent drivers and professional movers who will safely transport your stuff. You don't have to be concerned about us ripping you off because all of our services are competitively priced. A local move will cost you less than a long distance move. Our local moving prices are reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our team of local movers is licensed and committed to offering you the most outstanding value for your money. We are familiar with busy locations and towns, so you don't need to be concerned about losing your belongings. Our experienced and reasonable local movers will guide you through the entire relocation procedure. You can also inquire about our clients' experiences with us, and you will receive plenty of favorable comments about our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Idaho Falls moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.